GMT basically rose 42.29% in 7 days in a kind of significant manner. Bull control GMT's kind of current cost activities, or so they essentially thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN sort of is drifting at $688,912,110, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Current STEPN cost fundamentally is $0.62 the 4th of April 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on some pressing issues. What for the most part is genuinely momentary cost expectation for STEPN, is GMT a genuinely wise speculation, which explicitly is very critical. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to jumping commonly profounded to the GMT specialized examination, certainly let us fundamentally discuss the kind of current economic situations, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $184,154,931,884 in an unobtrusive manner. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $52,385,827,444 or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 45.85% of the entry market while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a very significant manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,062 level after a vertical development of 0.03%, exhibiting that GMT especially rose 42.29% in 7 days in a sort of enormous way. Various elective digital forms of money. As ETHEREUM explicitly has seen a cost increment of 3.7% coming to $1,863.30 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.15. Following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time period, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. XRP in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP generally is somewhere near 1.99 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting that various elective cryptographic forms of money. As ETHEREUM in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 3.7% coming to $1,863.30 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere around 1.99 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money. As ETHEREUM basically has seen a cost increment of 3.7% coming to $1,863.30 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. These occasions essentially show that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for truly momentary in a kind of enormous manner. Right now, a general kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely further appearance how GMT in every practical sense rose 42.29% in 7 days in a very significant manner. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Pretty further appearance how XRP, the local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere near 1.99 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting that various elective cryptographic forms of money. As ETHEREUM truly has seen a cost increment of 3.7% coming to $1,863.30 during the past 24 hours in a significant manner. Support especially is a level at which purchasers explicitly become kind of more really dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,062 level after a vertical development of 0.03%, exhibiting that GMT in every practical sense rose 42.29% in 7 days, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which vendors explicitly move commonly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that GMT explicitly rose 42.29% in 7 days, which certainly is genuinely huge. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN. STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN in every practical sense is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 42.29% over the course of the week, which sort of shows that STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC is $688,912,110.00 US, while by and large all-out market cap came to $369,248,871 USD, which for the most part is very huge. There certainly are very nearly 600 million essentially are available for use out of 6 billion in an especially significant manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for the 4th of April 2023 inside an everyday time span. All things considered, made sense of beneath, which really is very critical. We utilize kind of relative strength index, moving kind of normal assembly and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving genuinely normal and dramatic moving especially normal to especially examine the future development of the STEPN, exhibiting how GMT for the most part rose 42.29% in 7 days, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The very relative strength record shows that the GMT coin especially is close oversold zone, as RSI basically is at 37 in every practical sense. Further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.99 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM for the most part has seen a cost increment of 3.7% coming to $1,863.30 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought, while GMT's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. The exchange especially signal truly is truly conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin shares 45.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum, all things considered, has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is very huge. The MACD line essentially is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, showing how yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the GMT specialized examination, truly led us by and large discussion about the ongoing economic situations, which truly is very critical. STEPN financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the for the most part day-to-day graph, showing how STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Fundamentally further appearance how XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 1.99 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting that various elective digital currency, as ETHEREUM in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 3.7% coming to $1,863.30 during the past 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. According to the cost investigation, the GMT cost may generally track down help at these vital degrees of 54 cents, 48 cents. Moving beneath these levels could for the most part carry the cost to 43 cents, or so they really thought. On the fundamentally opposite side,